Keeping my dogs in your yard.
Out of my yard.
Oh, out of...
Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, we're going to take out the Mooncool TK1 Fat Tire Fat 20 trike and just go for a little bit of a ride because it's a beautiful day out here today. Temperature's about 72 degrees. The sun is bright. Oh, such a nice day. So we're just going to get out here and go for a ride. All right, I already got this powered up. And let's scoot on down the road. So I woke up today thinking, you know, I'm going to, there's a couple of videos I specifically have been wanting to make. And I said, yeah, I'm going to get up and I'm going to make those two videos today. Oh my goodness. Now it's early afternoon and I just haven't felt like it. Just haven't really wanted to get moving today. And so I've been taking it slow and easy. And yeah, finally I said, nope, I'm going to at least go for a ride and get out and maybe make a little video or something. There's been some gaps in my video releases here recently just because I have been taking it a little slower and taking things a little, approaching things a little differently, I guess. Taking a little extra time off. Had a few days I just didn't feel like doing much, so I didn't do much. Yeah, but anyway, so at least I'm out here on a trike again today. Yeah, I'm enjoying this trike. I'm enjoying this trike a whole lot. I need to do the full review. Haven't done that yet, but that was one of the things I was thinking about getting done today or sometime in the next couple of days. Get the full review done so I can share all the things about it that I like. A couple of things I wished were different. But let's go ahead and bump this up a little bit here. There we go. Yeah. Nothing wrong with taking a bike ride on a nice, beautiful day like today. You know, spring is around the corner for a lot of you folks. I don't know, maybe it's already sprung for some of you folks, depending on where you live. We just kind of went through our fall season here, technically. Here in Florida, our fall season kind of hits in like February. That's when all the leaves start falling off the trees and stuff for a couple of weeks, and then all the new stuff blooms right back and everything's back to normal again. February is usually our coldest month too. But it hasn't been too bad. It did get cold earlier this year than what it has previously. So it seemed like we had some more colder days this year than we had in the past too, but cold for us is still only, 30, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, something like that. Anyway, so yeah. Let's see, what's new, what's coming up, what's the plan? Don't know that we have a plan. I'm a fly by the seat of my pants kind of guy most of the time. Sometimes I'm organized and got things figured out. Sometimes I don't. So I just kind of go with it. Kind of like this video right here. I just wanted to get out and ride, and I thought, all right, I'll record something. No specific plan on what I was going to talk about. Just enjoying the ride. Hey man, I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't let your dogs up in my yard, especially when my dog's out, like you did the other day. It really gets him wound.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about keeping your dogs in my damn yard. How about that?
Keeping my dogs in your yard.
Out of my yard.
Oh, out of your yard. Oh, precious. Okay. I'll make sure I'll put them.
Yeah, appreciate it. Hey, they just get my dog wound up, like he did the other day. No need for it.
Jeez, I'm sorry about that. Maybe you get a psychiatrist.
Yeah, well, maybe you could, change your attitude too.
I'll do my best.
All right. That's all I'm asking for. Your best. So that butt crack right there. One day, let's see, we were putting a bike together here recently. What was it? It may have been this trike. I don't remember. Putting something together, and he let his dogs come up into my yard, and Toby got wound up. I didn't say anything to him because I haven't really talked to this guy much. He lives right here. But, it aggravated me, and I should have said something right away, and I didn't. But then, look, you witnessed it right there, just rolled up past my house, and he's got his dogs way up in my yard and up in my driveway, and full of attitude. And yeah, I asked him nicely. He came back with an attitude. That's all right. I don't care. Let's go this way. A few days ago, I was out. Got this on camera too, but I don't think it was a video that I was actually making. I rolled past his house just as he rolled up his garage door, and his little dogs come bolting out and started chasing me down the street. And I stopped and go home. Told his dogs to go home and stuff, and kind of waited because they ran right out in front of a delivery truck, and the delivery truck had to stop in the street and keep from running over the dogs. And he called the dogs, and they come running. They went home right away. They went running back and went home right away, which is fine. But he just always letting his dogs up in other people's yards. Man, I don't do that with my dog. I'm responsible. I keep my dog out on the sidewalk. Don't let him up in people's yards. That's all I'm asking. Not too much to ask. Yeah. People. Let's see here. I'll go back this way. Let's see. Eventful ride. Yeah. What else? Let's see, what else is on Richard's mind today? I don't know that there is anything on Richard's mind today. So I think I'm going to end this video here, guys, and I'm just going to continue to enjoy this ride. I don't have much to say. I might keep the camera on just in case I get into an argument with another neighbor or something. Because that's how it goes sometimes. But, yeah, so anyway, hope your day is going well. Hope you got a chance to get out and do some riding this weekend. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Make sure you ride responsibly and ride safe.